Hello and welcome to a very special edition of Indulge. We are in Kargil. Kargil, the place where the Jawans of the Indian Army fought the historic 1999 Kargil battle. And Sher Shah, the biopic on Captain Vikram Batra, who lost his life to save the grace of the country, will be releasing in August this year, just ahead of the 74th Independence Day. And playing the title role of Sher Shah is Siddharth Malhotra. Joining me today is not just Siddharth, but also Vishnuvardhan, who's directed the film, and the leading lady, Kiara Advani. Hello everyone.
Hi. Hi Aisha.
So happy to, just chat with you here, right where all the action had happened back in 1999.
Absolutely.
And after the trailer release, I think all of us were...
And where all the filming also happened?
Yes. So we were really impressed with what we saw, right? The trailer and all of that. And I actually want to start off by asking you guys, what does this film really mean to you? First time when it came to you, Vishnu, when you wanted to make this, what were your thoughts? Why did you want to make this?
See, I've never done a biopic. One, which is very exciting. I like anything that pushes my adrenaline. Two, and the other thing is, you have never done a film on the service, on the Indian Army, And this is the best opportunity to actually show the gratitude and show the love that and thank them for what they've been doing for you. And moreover, on a very selfish level, it's purely my excitement. My wholehearted excitement is what actually took me through the film.
Siddharth, we've seen you in all the nice roles. Very cute, college boy, lover boy. I mean, there's so many women who are mad about you. But probably this film is going to, show you in a very different light. Somebody who's very responsible, determined, somebody who's facing the enemy. So what did it take for you to get into the skin of the character?
Well, definitely, because this is the first time I'm playing a real life hero. When you're playing a biopic, there are so many stories, there's so many things that you want to replicate and yet maintain a nice balance of keeping it real versus real. Because it is a film, it is a screenplay that you have to follow, so there are certain things. So I feel it was extremely challenging to go into a mindset of this hero who's given his life at this very battlefield behind us for the country, for the freedom that we are all enjoying right now. And he said it with such style and panache by saying lines like, कि या तो मैं तिरंगे में तिरंगा लहरा के आऊँगा या उसमें लिपट के आऊँगा, और ये दिल मांगे मोर. I think he's a true rock star and the true hero that the Indian Army also cherishes. And it was for me challenging yet very exciting. And now by the end of the journey, I'm extremely attached to the story and character because I feel you don't get this chance that many times. And this is my first attempt to play a real life hero. And I feel extremely nervous that the family is going to see it very recently. We hope that they like the version of what we've shown, a small summary of what we can show of their son's life. And yeah, a lot of blood, sweat and hard work has gone into it. So looking forward to the 12th of August.
Bike accidents and everything.
Oh yes, we also, he just reminded, on these very valleys, which are very scenic and beautiful, but they're also the things that happened during shoot. I remember we had finished, we were shooting in one of the outdoor locations by the river, and we had finished our bits kind of early. We had to go back to base, and Kargil being known for wonderful roads, and so I decided ki chalo yaar, let me buy some bikes and let all the actors go back on a bike ride. And I asked specifically all the actors, aapko bike ride aati hai? And one of the co-stars was, co-actor was Shiv Pandit, who's playing Jambal in the film, claims to know how to ride a bike. And we are riding at a nice cruising speed of 60 kilometers, and suddenly he's in front of me and his bike just slips.
My God, okay.
And to protect him, I obviously turned, and then he just slipped. I toppled over for at least about 20 meters or so on actual tarmac, and luckily I had a helmet, full protection. That's why you should wear a helmet, everyone. But we were really badly bruised. But as what they say,
loss of breath while shooting, getting injured during shooting, getting injured also off shooting.
So some of the action that was actually bumps and
we had to shoot after
bruises.
that.
And as they say, the show must go on. I was taking painkillers, and the next day we shot something in the jeep, which was a car
Yeah.
scene where I didn't have to walk.
Followed by action also, we kept shooting.
And then we shot action as well. So literally, blood, sweat has gone into this film. So
Okay.
we're hoping that people enjoy it.
Okay, it sounds like a really exciting and adventurous
Oh, this
journey.
is nothing.
This-
There is
Yeah.
more which
very
you
Okay,
cannot
good.
tell
so
you.
this is the tip of the iceberg that
Yeah.
you're telling me.
Yes.
Yeah, before I come back to that, Kiara, you tell me, because your career has been very interesting, the way it has grown and the kind of roles that you've chosen. And this looks like it must have been emotionally challenging for you.
It was very moving for sure. I think this was one script that I read and was so moved by it. And the first thing, I was just so happy that I was aware of this and that, I finally knew in such detail of the story of this legend. And then it was like, I want to be a part of this and I want more people to know his story the way I've just read it on paper. And I couldn't wait for us to, make it visually for the world to see. It was very moving. It was very inspiring as well. Getting to meet with Dimple, to play her. I have tried my best to be as honest to the character as possible. We've kept everything in the film extremely true to the actual event. So everything is very real. Every scene between Vikram and Dimple is exactly what happened. Sometimes you feel like it's so filmy, but it all came with a lot of meaning, and the intention was pure. And that was their love and their love story. And there's so much pressure today in society about women getting married, and that's always there. But to see a woman of today stand up and, look at love with eternity and make the choices she did, just moved me and inspired me. So it has definitely been a very emotional journey.
So that, talking about this emotional thing, the challenges that you face, right? So here you're playing a martyr. Somebody who actually lost his life, and we are here. It's quite significant that we're doing this thing right here. So were there moments when you felt that you were kind of lost in the character? You were so absorbed by it that you forgot that you are Siddharth? And
No, I think definitely, especially the Kargil schedule that we shot around 45 days. I think we started off, it was Vishnu's idea to start actually backwards, which is the climax first.
okay,
And then, go into the earlier portions which were more comfortable. And it was very interesting for me because we straight away jumped into the most intense part of the story, which is a lot of action, climbing up and down, you're getting breathless.
Yeah.
We're still at a lower altitude. We were shooting from 12,000 feet to 14,000 feet, and actual battle was fought at 16,000 feet.
yeah.
So there are physical restrictions. There is mental fatigue that comes in. For me, I found it extremely authentic. Even the way they have shot it is very little setups, and it's only a camera following you.
Yeah.
So there were times for sure that when you're on the top of one of these peaks and you're sitting by a rock and firing or saying your lines, it is generally just connecting to the person next to you because there are less setups and the camera is not really disturbing you.
Yeah.
And I think full marks to Negi sir and Vishnu to make us that
Devise a
comfortable.
way to shoot it.
Yeah, no, and it really helped all the actors. I can assure you, and I'm extremely attached to this character because yes, I feel I am also my dadu was in the army, and my dad would have joined the forces. At that time the culture was either the Indian Army or if somebody gets to the Merchant Navy because it pays slightly better. So he got through that.
Okay.
So there is a kind of family lineage. My grandmother used to tell me a lot of stories of the army, and I was kind of living that dream as a child, like the childhood dream to play a real soldier. And seeing the trailer yesterday brought back so many memories, so many stories from shoot. All of us bonding again. So yes, I feel attached, and I hope I've given a part of me into this, and you find it extremely honest and genuine.
Vishnu, the trailer is very powerful. The action scenes and all of that. Somewhere, a war film is where we actually get to see what could have happened in a war.
Correct.
So how difficult was it to, justify your creative liberties also while keeping in mind that it's a strategic location where you're shooting? So can you tell me a little bit about that portion?
See, I think my reference, my reference to shoot the film actually came only from the people who were involved during the war. So it's not like you design, chalo yaar ye war aise shoot kar, let's shoot the war like this.
Yeah.
It'll look quite stylish. We'll try to do like this. So that was never the case. You know, the case was what the people told me, what actually happened. You know, what kind of a terrain they had filmed, how they had shot, and how they fought the war. You know, that was my inspiration predominantly to shoot. You know, that's what Sid said. No, now let's. They were literally almost like fighting. You know, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, you know, the guys are there. You guys fight. You know, you guys know the mood. You know,
Yeah.
it was choreographed, and they were fully into it. All we need to do is we need to get into that. You
Yeah.
know, the way you need to feel that is you be into it and you document along with it. You don't plan a shot and you don't keep it like this and then say, okay, you guys go like this.
Yeah.
So this is your path, this is your going, and then you stumble upon, they stumble upon. Whatever happens naturally is the course of your action. You know, so that's there are many things like this which we kept.
I mean, the dust
Device.
and the grittiness you see is all real. There
Yeah.
are no setups, no one's throwing dust at us.
Most of the explosions and everything is all real. Actually,
Yeah,
what you have.
yeah.
It's very minimum visual effects enhanced stuff that we had.
Which is what I think makes our
Yeah,
film
makes it more
look
raw
a bit
and real.
new and raw as compared to the other films that is made, especially in India.
Yeah. Any anecdotes that you can share from shooting apart from the bike accident that you had?
Well, I think there are so many things that happen in the film. Like we shot in Chandigarh, love story. We shot in Kargil for sure. Shot in Palampur, it is hometown, and we've. I think the most typical would be that with the moment we started shooting, especially the action bit, people getting breathless. I think that's one thing
For them,
that
it was like, okay, fine, you have acclimatized, it'll
Yeah.
be easy. Okay, from there till here, okay, you just come ahead.
Yeah, and
You
it's-
walk now and you used to point and fire. Okay,
Yeah.
fine, sir, done. It's simple shot. You know, they would come up and they'd go like, it's like, okay, guys, no, easy. I need to go easy.
And also,
Just like-
I think we were lucky to shoot with the army. We had immense amount of support from them, which we are really thankful for.
Yeah.
I remember one such thing in the second day of shoot. We gave our shot and we were supposed to rest on some rock when they were setting up the other one, and they told us it's now sir shot ready, so we were going. And so out of continuity, you know, sometimes we have more dust and everything. So I was just removing some dust, and there was an actual young army soldier. तो उसने हिंदी में बोला कि अरे सर क्या फर्क पड़ता है, अपनी तो मिट्टी है. So I was so touched by that line
Yeah.
that
that
will
Yeah.
hit you.
Yeah.
they are actually living this. It might sound like a filmy dialogue to them, and he thought I was doing it because I didn't want to dirty. I
You
was
wanted
doing
to do it for a continuity.
I was doing it for continuity. So he obviously, being second day, didn't understand
Okay.
filmmaking.
Okay.
But it was such an innocent line that he said to me, कि sir, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, अपनी तो मिट्टी है, लगे या मुंह पे लगे या कहीं भी हो. And that gave me such inspiration to feel like यार कि ये होता है
Yeah.
action soldier.
Yeah.
They really believe they walk the talk. We are just saying it as dialogues. For them, it's not dialogues. And
Yes.
if they say,
It's life.
this is my
Yeah.
motherland, it's their life. There are people
Yeah.
even right now around us, really far, on post, guarding with a gun and weapon in case something happens. They're protecting us.
Yeah.
And that Jawan telling me that line, I think gave me that sense of inspiration for the rest of the schedule. I'm like, this is their life, and it's a great responsibility to showcase that.
Yeah. So anyway, thank you so much, all three of you. It was a pleasure meeting you in person and
Thank you
talking
so
about
much.
this movie. Really looking forward to watching it.
Thank you
Yeah.
so
soon.
much.
Meet you
Okay.
soon.
Thank you.